Hi everyone, welcome to US Immigration Hub channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to file Form I-765, which is application for employment authorization online. And today's video is going to be adjustment of status, which is a C9 category. If you are new to this channel, my name is Liman and I make videos for a family-based immigration to simplify the immigration process and give you a confidence to go through your immigration journey by yourself. First of all, I am not an immigration attorney. I'm here to help you based on the information I have from US CIS website. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, and give us a big like so YouTube can share the video with more people. So if you're ready, let's get started. To get to this page right here, you need a USCIS online account. If you have your credentials, you log in and it's going to take you to this page right here. If you don't have your login credentials, you need to create one. How we do that? And I have a video on my channel on how to do that. Once now you log into your USCIS online account, go to drop down menu right here under my account and look for file a form online. File a form online. This is you must read this. They will keep your data for 30 days. After that will be automatically deleted. For a fee waiver, you cannot file a form online, but there is some certain benefit request using the PDF filing option, like the one we're doing right now. You can request a fee waiver by uploading an I-12, but it must be signed. First, you gotta file the form I-912, then sign it, then you can upload it. We are going to talk about that in this video. So the form category, the file you want to file first is I-765, which is application for employment authorization. And what is your eligibility category? And it's going to be C9 adjustment applicant under section 245. Now continue. This is what I was talking about. There is two types of filing online. There is fill out form filled online, and you must be in this eligibility right here. I-12, C3A, C3A, C3B, C3C, C8, C11, C11, C19, C33. If you are in these categories right here, you must fill out the form fills online. For example, for C9 category, we can upload a PDF form. So now this is I-765 application for employment authorization PDF intake. You must read this. They're gonna give you a lot of information right here. I'm not gonna waste my time reading it. So I'm gonna go straight to start next. Uploading your form online, just filing online. It's gonna give you a lot of information right here. You need to read that. So we're gonna go straight to start application. So first question, what is your eligibility category? You can only submit a PDF form for certain eligibility categories. If your eligibility category is not listed in the drop-down menu, you might be able to file your form using your online account and selecting fill out form fields online. That's the one, these categories I showed you right here. But in our case, it apply for us. Eligibility category is C9. So fee exemption, just they are talking about the fees right here. Just read this. I'm not gonna go through a lot about this information right here. So we're gonna go straight next. Are you able to pay the filing fee? If you click yes, go next. If you click no, you must upload form I-912. Then you must upload supporting document for I-912. 912 must be filled, printed, signed, and then uploaded as a PDF. So I'm not going to cover that in this video because I have a form I-912 is not signed, so it will not be accepted. So PDF form. So this is just file upload requirement. It must be clear and readable. Acceptable file format. It must be PDF. No encrypted or password protected files. your documents, if they are in a foreign language, of course, they must be translated to English. And the maximum size is less than 12 megabytes. So just they tell you right here as a warning, if you files it has a password, it will not be accepted, it will be rejected. So we're going to go here and upload I-765. That's the one I have. We're going to go here. I don't know why it was failed for the first time. Let's try the second time. So now it is uploaded. Your form is currently being validated for completeness. This process may take several minutes. You might continue to the next. So we're going to go next. You need a 2x2 photo of you. So for the person filing for I-765. Next. We're going to go next. They are taking JPG format. Now you need a Form I-94 if you have one. How to do that? Just go online right here and select I-94 official website. Just apply for a new I-94. Just here, acknowledge. And then you will need some information. I-94, you apply for online. This page is provisional. How we get that? I confirm, yeah, that. And then you will need this information. You will need first name, last name, date of birth, sex, and date of birth. I'm sorry, yeah, date of birth, country of citizenship, I'm sorry, and then country of residence. And then they will give you your I-94 if you have one. And then you need the document information, which one you use. So if you have one, it will, you will see it right here. So I will assume I have one. We're gonna choose. We're gonna look for I-94. Select a type. It's gonna be, you have 3 options right here. You have, you have 3 options. You have Form I-94, passport, or travel document. Just 2. We're gonna do Form I-94, but you can do our passport as well. Next. We're gonna go to Employment Authorization document or government ID, passport or driver license. I'm gonna do a passport. Next. Same file requirement. So we're looking right here. I-form application to register permanent residence or adjustment of status. You need a Form I-797C receipt of notice. I do not have one, but I have one for I-130. When I upload it, it will give me an error. I'm sorry, I don't have one for I-45, so I will get an error. So this is I-787 pending I-45. I used one from I-130. It will be rejected. Just this is just for learning purposes. I did this one right here. Next. Same format. What we're looking right here, I-797C notice of action. I'm going to upload the same one. We're going to go next. Additional evidence. If you have any additional evidence that will, support your I-765, you can add it. You can add it right here. But for me, I don't have any. So we're going to go next. They tell you right here as a warning, if you do not provide evidence, your application processing may be delayed. Why? Because there were requests for evidence. Check your application before you submit. We will review your application to check the accuracy and completeness before you submit it. So alert and warning. So your fee, your filing fee is $260. You have one or more alerts and warning based on the information you provided. So I know what it is. It's 7. It has to do with the I-765. I'm sorry. It has to do with the I-797C because it's not for I-485, which is adjustment of status. So now once you fix the problem, just click on continue. I don't know why it should give you an error right here. So evidence, you should right here. Yeah, it's not gonna let me go and fix the problem. I'm sorry, go next. I need to fix the problem. But my problem here, I don't have I know error with uploading document. We found the following errors with I-787C pending I-45. The provided form I-787C is not valid for submit benefit request. So you have to do re-upload. So once you upload it, you go next. You go next. Now, so it gives you an error. Edit my response. You have to go and submit the right form of I-787C. As I said, I have that one for I-130, not for I-485. So the filing fee is $260, and if you click next, he's gonna go to pay the fee, and then you submit your I-765, which is application for employment authorization. I'm sorry, I can go next right here because I don't have I-787C for adjustment of status. So this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe, share, hit notification bell. Thank you, and see you next video.